The breaking news after the bell, Facebook's earnings report. A lot of anticipation for this report, and now the stock is trading higher in after-hours trading following an earnings per share beat in the last quarter, $1.76 per share versus an estimate of $1.47. Now, when we reported these numbers to you a little while ago, we were looking at the fact that Facebook reported revenue that was slightly below analyst estimates and also would look to be slower user growth than some analysts were looking for. So now that we've had some time, Jack, Shana are back with us with their impressions of this. It's interesting, Jack, that the earnings per share number seems to be what is driving things now versus with other companies. And even when Facebook, when it first came out, you'd be looking at the top line figure. What do you make of the reaction, not necessarily the report?
The kind of market that we're in, you have to be nervous about your story stocks where they don't have the earnings today. They're supposed to have it 10 years from now. There's a lot of hope and excitement. You know, you have to be nervous about those. This is not a story stock. This is a company with a ton of cash pouring in right now. And the outlook, look, it's no longer a go-go growth company. But for a company that trades at about the same price as the broad stock market, it has much better growth than the broad stock market. So I think the value here is pretty attractive. Like I said, there could easily be some turbulence over the next couple of quarters. Long term, ad dollars flow online, and there's only about 3 big companies out there getting it. This one, Alphabet, and increasingly Amazon.
I think there was a question, Shannon, to Jack's point about a value for Facebook, because when that last quarter report came out, and granted it was disastrous in many ways, the stock got hammered. It was down more than 35% from that report in July up until today. So maybe, you know, investors, those like Adam Johnson who was on earlier and others who are bullish about the future for Facebook, are saying, yeah, we're back in here. We see some value in the stock, even if we still have some questions. What do you think?
I think there is continued value in the stock, and that's why I'm hesitant to make any calls on Facebook right now, given especially a couple things that are coming up. You know, you've got the political season coming. I mean, the earnings next quarter are going to reflect potentially highest political spend ever on Facebook ads. You also have Instagram pulling in more and more money, and their Messenger app that they're increasingly pouring themselves into in order to increase monetization there. So there are bright spots for Facebook, and I think that it is too soon to call it. I hate to keep kicking the can down the road.
It's understandable. By the way, in the market in general, it's tough to make a prediction from 10 minutes to the next. The way things have been swinging lately. But is there a broader story here for Facebook, like we were told, Jack, to expect in markets after Amazon and Alphabet reported? Or is this, because Facebook has so many company-specific issues, a Facebook story tonight and tomorrow?
I think there's going to be a sorting out process in the market right now. For a long time, growth has worked, and it didn't matter what was growing. It all went up. And I think investors right now want a little bit more value for their money. So I think investors will increasingly be skeptical about the Teslas, maybe even the Netflixes, the companies that are expecting to have earnings down the road. But they're going to be looking at the Alphabets and the Facebooks. They're going to say, look at those cash flows. These are not high-priced .com wonders. These are pretty attractive, almost value stocks at these prices.
And for now, even with the numbers we talked about, some of the concerns, stocks up 3+%. Jack and Shana, thanks to you both. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right.